Hi everyone, this is the HIENA combo trimmer clipper set that we were sent from HIENA, and we just appreciate them for sending us this kit. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about it. It comes with a great carrying case, and it's formed for the larger clipper and then also the trimmer. It has an area right here that you can put all your combs in, and your scissors and all the accessories. So as far as the kit, it comes with an apron, and then it comes with the trimmer clipper. That comes with 4 different combs, a brush, a USB port charging cable, and then it also comes with 2 sets of scissors. And then as far as the clippers go, it also comes with the clipper and then 4 combs for it as well, and a USB charging cable. Both of it comes with instructions and oil. Just wanted to go over the trimmer with you. It's just a nice handheld trimmer, fits good. It's a nice little place for your thumb right here to set it in, and it's very quiet. As far as the clippers go, it's just a very nice, well-balanced clipper. When you turn it on, it'll tell you how much percentage of battery is left on it. As it goes, it obviously goes down, and then it just charges on the end of it, just like the trimmer. It also gives you an RPM readout, and also it has a cover for the blade itself that just pops off, and then you've got the adjustment here as well as far as lengths go, and then you can put your combs on to adjust your hair length. As far as the kit goes, a very complete kit with everything that's included. One thing I like about it, it's very compact. So if you are going on a vacation or going to be traveling for an extended amount of time, you have a nice little carrying case here that has everything self-contained, and it just makes for a real nice complete unit. So I'm going to go ahead and give myself a haircut. I'm going to use the clippers and see how they perform, and then I'll let you know what I think of it after I get it done. All right, just got done clipping my hair. Very satisfied with this. Never bogged down once. Has very smooth action. Yeah, I really like this a lot. A lot of times clippers will either hang up, pull a few hairs. Never had that once. It's just a really nice even cut. And what I mean by that, you never heard the RPMs run down. It just did a great job, and really satisfied with what it did. So yeah, the HIENA, I really like the cut it gave. I'm going to go ahead and try the trimmers and see if I can actually get it down a little bit closer. Obviously, I am balding. I like to have it nice and tight. So I'm going to try the trimmers and see if I can actually get it down a little bit further. Okay, so after cutting my hair with the clippers, I went back over it with the trimmer, and it just did an absolutely remarkable job. I brought it down very, very close, and that's why I like it without having to shave. So very happy with this. And again, the trimmer never bogged down while it was trimming. It did a great job. So there's plenty of power in these units. I'm very happy with it. So yeah, if you're looking for a great trimming kit that's battery powered and then USB charged, I would definitely suggest the HIENA, this little combo kit that they offer. It just gives you a complete kit. Just 2 thumbs up. Really recommend it, and thanks for HIENA for sending this, and I'm very happy to have this in my arsenal.